Friends, I am Dr. Sujit Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ghosh Presents. Sign symptoms and uses of Homeo-Remedy Bufo. Bufo, also pronounced Bufo or Bufo. Full name Bufo rana, common name toad, short name Bufo. Source: poison of toad. Actually, Bufo is the technical name of a toad. Animal kingdom. Pathogenesis. This has remarkable effect on nervous system and sexual organs. Patients become low-minded and develop low types of diseases. Actually, Bufo is a special type of remedy used for special type of diseases. We'll be knowing all these things during the discussion. Relation with heat and cold of Bufo. Hot patient. Constitution is not known. Temperament of Bufo, feeble-minded, idiotic and childish. Miasm of Bufo, Psora and Syphilis. Diathesis Bufo, not available. This is the image of Bufo, from whose toxins, glands toxins, this medicine is prepared. Worse: warm room, sexual excitement, masturbations, injuries, least motions. Better: bleeding, cool air, cold bathing, feet in hot water. Generalities of Bufo. Patients are not only of low-minded but develop low types of diseases. An excellent remedy for bad psychosomatic inheritance. Mind it, psychosomatic inheritance. There are very few medicine. Probably I have not seen anyone that has bad psychosomatic inheritance and the remedy or medicine counteract it. Bufo is one of them. Early broken down conditions, prematurely senile persons, fetid discharges and exhalations. Affect circulation, causing ebullitions of heat, flushing, burning in different parts, bloody oozing from nipples, bloody saliva, aversion to the sight of brilliant objects, trembling like paralysis agitans. Paralysis agitans is a nervous disease, serious nervous disease, and Bufo is one of the medicine of this disease. Electric like shock felt throughout the whole body. Feel whole body as swollen in AM. Anesthetic spots on skin. Falls down unconscious. Actually, fall down. I keep always the subject in plural form. The patients of Bufo fall down unconscious with a blood-curdling scream. Obesity. Epileptic seizures occur during night, at the time of menses, or in women when sexual desire excited. In young men due to onanism or during coition. Attacks followed by headache. Dropsy, paralysis, cancer, carbuncle, buboes. A few type of serious diseases like dropsy, paralysis, cancer, carbuncle, buboes are also, this medicine is also used to counter this bad type of disease also. Septic lymphangitis. On the right hand side, a picture of lymphangitis is given. Lymphangitis is a very rare type of disease where lymph channels are excited, or rather there is inflammation of lymph channel due to injuries when pain runs up in streak, spasms of children after nursing angry or frightened mothers. That is, the children nurse angry mother and thereafter the children suffers from spasms. Very peculiar symptom. Variety of symptoms occur before epilepsy. Mind remains childish, only body grows. Convulsions from Syphilitic conditions. Mind symptoms of Bufo. Moral depravity, idiocy, childish, silly, tittering, feeble-minded. Fear of animals, strangers, talk nonsense, walk over the floor and wring the hands. Desire for solitude to masturbate. Desire for solitude to masturbate. Inclined to bite. Deceitfulness. Music unbearable. Head symptoms before. Something as hot as vapor rising to the top of the head. Brain as if numb. Pillow hearts occiput. That is occipital bone of the head. Eyes symptoms before. Sight of brilliant objects intolerable. Objects appear crooked. Left lid paralyzed on the right hand side picture. Pupils dilated, eyes sunken. Ear symptom of Bufo. Least noise distresses. Music intolerable. Nose symptoms of Bufo. Epistaxis with flushed face and pain in forehead. Face symptoms of Bufo. Face bloated and distorted. Bathed in sweat, in spasms. Lips black. Mouth symptoms of Bufo. Paralysis of tongue. Lapping motions of tongue. Lapping means actually licking motion. Bloody saliva. Stammering. Desire for sweet drinks. Tongue cracked. Bluish black. Convulsions after extracting teeth. That's an important symptom. Convulsions after extracting teeth. You will get patient, particularly young patients who suffering from convulsion after extracting teeth. Bufo is one of the important medicine here. Abdomen symptom of Bufo. Sensation as if cold balls running through bowels. Buboes in groins. Bubo actually syphilitic type of nodes appearing various portions of the bodies. After spasms, convulsive movements. Vomiting after drinking. Yellow fluid in vomit. Vomiting of blood and bile. Male symptoms of Bufo. Spasms during coition. Disposition to handle genitals and masturbate. Impotency. Disposition to handle genitals, masturbate. You will get very young boys having this type of disposition. Female symptoms of Bufo. Epilepsy at the time of menses. Menses too early, too profuse, milk bloody. Cancer of breasts. Violent pain in breasts, tumors and polyp of uterus, cord-like swelling from groin to knee. From groin to knee. Milk leg. I've given a picture of milk leg on the right hand side. The milk leg, the actual technical name of the disease is Phlegmasia alba dolens. What happens? Deep femoral vein is occluded. As such, blood flow to the lower leg is hampered and the whole leg swells up with whitening color. It is a healthy leg. This is diseased leg. Phlegmasia alba dolens. These are very peculiar diseases. Very peculiar disease. If you remember this phlegmasia alba dolens and Bufo, you can show magic. There is deep vein, femoral vein is occluded, as such blood circulation is hampered, so the leg swollen up with its whitish appearance. This is called phlegmasia alba dolens. Here it is written that what is the female symptoms? Epilepsy at time of menses too early, too profuse, very bloody, cancer of breast, violent pain in breast, tumor and polyp at uterus, cord-like swelling from groin to knee, milk leg. Milk leg is a small name of this big disease, phlegmasia alba dolens. Hydatidis in ovaries. Hydatidis is some sort of cystic growth, offensive purulent leukorrhea. Respiratory symptoms of Bufo. Burning like fire in lungs. Suffocative cough. Asthma. Heart symptoms of Bufo. Heart appears to float in air or water. It seems that heart is floating in air or water. In exophthalmia, picture right hand side, rapid action of heart. This is the picture of exophthalmia. Exophthalmia actually too much secretion of thyroid gland. Hyperthyroidism. Hyperthyroidism, another name is exophthalmia. Heart feels too large. Palpitation with headache during menses. Neck and back symptoms of Bufo. Jerks in nape of neck before spasms. Nape of neck, this area is called nape of neck. It is actually at the junction of the last portion of skull and spinal cord. Spinal cord and head meets a particular spot. That spot is called nape of neck. Lumbago. Lumbago means rheumatism of the waist. Worse from rising up or least motion. Extremity symptoms of Bufo. Trembling of limbs, cramps, staggering gait. I have underlined it, but I could not collect any picture of staggering gait. I am just explaining, you could understand. Staggering gait is the gait of a drunkard. Have you ever noticed how a drunkard walks along the street? He walks in a fashion like a very young child walks in the floor. He is he's unbalanced. He is going down right side, again left side, again right side, and single legs one stop, then he press the leg, then he again lift the other leg place. This way, right, left, right. This is staggering gait. The gait of a drunkard, feeling as if a peg were driven in hip joint. Limbs become stiff, numb. Sleep symptoms of Bufo. Comatose after spasm. That is, after spasm, the patient dips in a comatose stage. Coma, coma means deep loss of sense. Coma. Now here, sleep is so deep that it appears the person is in coma stage. Skin symptoms of Bufo. Red streaks under skin. Lymphangitis. It is already, picture has been shown previously, lymphangitis. Panaris and yellow bully. Panaris is inflammation of nail bed. This is panaris, and this is yellow bully. The swelling of just accumulation of yellow fluid, this type of corrosive fluid. Yellowish corrosive fluid accumulates within vesicles and then it is oozed out. Horripilation, standing of hair all over the body is called horripilations. Complementary, calcarea curve. Related medicine, Barrett curve, graphitis, tarantula. With this, the video ends. Thanks for listening, viewing. Any problem, write down in the comment section. I would certainly attend.